Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. This one is the AutoCAD. Now we are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to New. Now we are in the new window. For easy modeling of this drawing, I'm just keeping this drawing left side and software in the right side. Before drawing this model, first we need to set the units. First type units. Default, the units are in inches. Choose precision as 0 and this inches changes into millimeter. Just save it. Now we have set the units, then we need to specify the limits. Limit is nothing but specifying or taking the sheet to the model. For example, here we have a drawing. This white color is the sheet here. This white color sheet should be more than the dimension of this drawing. For example, we need to specify the sheet dimension, this point and this point. This point, the coordinate x and y coordinates are 0, 0 and this coordinate is x length and y length. We need to specify. The maximum x length is 64 and the maximum y length is 54. Then we can take the sheet which is bigger than the dimension of this one. I will take 150, 150. For that, type limits. Enter. Lower left corner it is asking. This one is 0, 0 always. 0, 0. Just enter. And the right corner is 150, 150. Just enter. Then type Z, enter, A, enter. That's it. Now we have shifted the screen. Then we can go for drawing. There are different ways we can model this drawing. I'm going to start from this point. For that, take a line. We can take a line from this icon also. In this tutorial, I'm going to use a command. Just type L, enter. We can start from any point. Now we see the lines are making inclined. To fix that one, just press F8 to switch on the ortho mode. Now we have switch on the ortho mode. Then specify the vertical dimension which is 54. Just enter. Then horizontal dimension is 42. Just 42. Enter. Then again vertical dimension is 12. Here you can see this length dimension is 12. Just 12. Enter. Then horizontal dimension is 22. Enter. Then vertical dimension is 24. Enter. Then this dimension they have specified as 18 and 24. The vertical dimension is 18. Horizontal dimension is 24. Then just close this point. For easy closing, just press F8 to switch off the ortho mode. Then you can close it by easily. Then cancel it. Then again go for L, enter. This point. Then you close it. Right click, cancel. Then we need to remove these two lines. For that, go for TR. Nothing but trim. TR, enter. Just remove these two lines. That's it. Then press the escape to come out from the trim command. Now we have come out from the trim command. Then we can go for creating these two circles. This circle with a diameter of 15 and this also be a diameter of 15. And the height which is 24 from here and 12 mm from here. Then take a line again. L, enter. From here which is 24. Then switch on the ortho mode by this one. Just 24, enter. Right click. 12, enter. Again just go right click and cancel it. Now we just want to draw a circle with a diameter of 15. For that, just C, enter. Specify the center point. Specify it is coming as a radius. Just type D, enter. The diameter is 15. Just 15, enter. That's it. Now we have created first circle. Then again we just want to create a second circle. L, enter. The center distance between this circle and this circle is 23. From here and here, which is 23. Right click, cancel. Then again go for C, enter. This point which is 15, enter, which is a radius. So just delete it by select it and delete it. Now go for C, enter, specify the center point, and the diameter we need to specify D, enter. Diameter is 15, enter. That's it. Then select these lines and go for erase, ER, enter. Just erase E, enter. Just close this window. Select this line, E, enter, and select this line and E, enter. That's it. Now we have created complete outer sketch. Then simply select this all the sketches. Just left click here and move your cursor to down here and again left click. All the sketches are selected. Now just go for the bilayer. Increase the thickness to 0.35. Then go for escape. Then this thickness is not applied to this model. To apply this model, just go here, show or hide the line width on. Now see, the line width is applied to the model. If you are not getting this one, just go this customization, just switch on this line width. Then we just want to specify the center mark. For that, just simply go for CM, enter. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle, just select it here and select it here. Now we got a center mark, then go for escape. Now the center mark is very small. If you want to increase the center mark properties, just select both the center marks, right click, then go for properties. Here there is an option called line type scale. You just type 15, enter, then you just close it. Then escape, escape. Now see, the center mark with this center mark scale is increased. Now we can specify the dimension. Just go for the dimension. First we'll start with the linear dimension. This total height is 54. See here 54 is coming, but which is coming very small. To modify the property of dimension, dim STY. Just enter. Then go for modify. Symbols and arrow make it 3. Text also make it 3. And primary units make it 0. Just say OK. Then close. Now see, the dimension is updated in our model. Now we can continuously make a dimension. So this length is 42. And again go for the linear dimension. This length is 22. Again go for the dimension. This length is 12. Again go for the linear dimension. From this point to end point, the dimension is 24. Again go for the linear dimension. From this point to this point, the dimension is 18. Similarly for this point to this point, the dimension is 24. Again go for here, this dimension is 40. And now we can specify the dimension here. From here to here, which is 24. And from here to here, we need to specify from this center point, you see, this point. And this side, the dimension is 12. Again, go for the linear dimension. From here to here, the dimension is 23. Now we have specified all the linear dimensions. Then we need to specify the diameter of these two circles. For that, just click this arrow button. Go for the diameter. Click this one. Just move to here. Here we can simply specify. Just double click here. You can able to edit the dimension. Now just left arrow. Just press the left arrow. Then type 2 space x space. You will get 2 into dia 15. This is the simplest way of specifying a 2 circle diameter. In that, we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. In next video, we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.